Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing. So today I'm checking out this phone holder for your car. This features this super strong magnet and should hold it securely. Okay, so here we have this little guy, and it looks like this just bends out here, and it can, I think this can be rotated based on where this sticks onto your car on your dashboard. So it's got some super burly like 3M tape here on the bottom, so you can stick that wherever. And then this is that new magnetic hold for like iPhones 12 Pro through like 15. Okay, so it has a bunch of stuff here. Little card on there so you can center the ring if you don't have a magnetic ring for your thing, and then an additional little sticky pad there. And here we go. So it has these little rings here, and there's a white one if you had a white phone, or whichever color you prefer, white or black on there. But just to see like how pretty good there. And then, oh, good golly, that's on there. That is on there. I can barely take it off there. Okay, so I have a black Samsung, but I have my phone case on there. It says to, I wonder if I could mount this. Let's see, how thick is this? How thick is my phone case? I wonder if I could mount it on the other side and that would hold it okay. So that's yeah, probably has to be directly on the back. So I just recently cleaned this off here, and I can just remove this tape. Boom, just like that. And then what we're going to do is use this little device here to center it on my phone, so I can kind of say, okay, so there to there is about right, and then all these areas here. And once that is done, I can just drop this right in there, like that. That's going to give me my nice little circle there on the back of my phone, and then I just stick it on there just like that. And that ain't going anywhere. You can like literally go over like our rally point or whatever, and you can rotate it too on that. But that's like super strong on there, guys. I mean, that's actually really strong on there. So that's cool. And then you can just mount it wherever, and this can be adjusted a little bit. If you need to lean that back and have it like that, or wherever. This 3M tape is legit, obviously, so it's going to hold really well. But there it is. Yeah, and then you can just put this on your dashboard, like wherever you want to. Just stick it on there. Obviously, it's going to be like that's the spot where you're going to want it for a while, because this once it sticks on there, it's going to be pretty sturdy. So yeah, really impressed with this magnet, guys. This is like really strong. I mean, it's no joke. So then you could able to like plug in your charger and everything right there, like how it's like adjustable any kind of way you want. You can just rotate it on your phone and it's not going to come off there. And yeah, I would be really confident just not falling out like ever, basically. This is super strong, and I can just pull it off of there. But yeah, really really convenient too, that you can just pop it off. You don't have to push a button, and if your power's out in your car, if you turn your car off, then you got to turn your car back on to have the power to release your phone or whatever. This magnet here is just really super cool. So yeah, I'm pretty impressed with the strength of this thing, guys. So I hope this review is helpful. Hope you guys have a great day, and I will see y'all next time.